Go, 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 go.
Contestant number 1.
Contestant number 5, Giselle Jam Ibanez.
Ayun na siya. Ay, magpatalo. May dala-dala na siya. Na moto na.
Pinagtitripan namin yung tinig.
Yes.
Ang layo na narating. Ito ko na may bag. Ano bird? Ay,
Pero alam mo, may ganyan sa amin natin. Yung line. Parang sa computer, yung speaker dito.
oh!
Tapos ano, natatawa ako meron doon. Happy birthday, Genevieve! Happy birthday, Genevieve! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Genevieve!
Happy birthday,
Kikeng! Happy birthday, Kikeng! Happy birthday, Kikeng! Happy birthday, Kikeng!
Happy birthday, Jam!
Happy birthday, Jessel!
Happy birthday, Jessel! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Jessel! Happy birthday, Michelle! Happy birthday, Michelle! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Ano yan? Joyce version. Joyce version, fast forward. Ano pa? Sino ba?
Bonjour's anniversary! Bonjour's
Anniversary! Buongiorno, buongiorno!
Ha? Oh, we're here. Nasa school. Sarap na
Sayang kahapon, Tin.
Happy birthday, Manny.
Wait.
Happy birthday, Emelina. Wala lang.
Happy birthday, Mari!
Kahapon kumain kami ng fettuccine, sayang wala ka doon.
Okay.
Tsaka, ito, kumain ka ng Whoppers.
Whoopers!
It's not Whoppers. It's Whoppers.
Paano ba talaga?
Whoppers. Not
Wo-
Whoppers. Diba namuhan tayo
Wo-
ng kambing? Whoppers.
Di ba tayo ng kambing yung pasas?
Alam ko unang basa ko rin daw Whooper.
Ako din. Ano kung basa Whoppers?
Whoopers ang basa ko, sabi niyo.
Kasi hindi naman siya double.
Oh,
Double P.
Whoppers. Yeah.
Happy birthday, Christine!
Wait.
Birthday, Christine! Happy birthday, happy
Ulitin nyo.